Hi guys, this is Brandy with the Mathison-Klein Group at Keller Williams Realty, and today we have the privilege of being with Meredith Nagel. She is attorney and owner of Concierge Title Services. So Meredith, thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you for having me.
So Meredith, I have heard that there's a new law that's passing that is going to allow us to have electronic closings. Is that correct?
That is, and we're excited about it.
Yes. Can you share a little bit more about that?
Absolutely. So this is something that we in the title world have been working on for a few years, and this year it actually passed.
That's cool.
What it is attempting to do is keep up with the reality of life, and it's very difficult for people to take 3 hours out of their day to drive to a closing and do all that. And so the convenience of being able to do things online is, just can't be understated.
Sure.
Now, we've always been able to have documents signed online that don't require a notary.
Okay.
So the docu-signing of your contracts, for example, we docu-sign sometimes, but if you're signing a mortgage or if you're signing a deed,
Right.
you need the notary.
Right.
So really what it's doing is e-notarization. We call it e-closing, but it's e-notarization.
Okay.
What it'll look like is, are you familiar with Zoom or?
Yeah.
Okay, so you know how in a Zoom meeting you can have just be talking to one person, or you can have 5 people on that Zoom meeting?
Yes.
Right. So imagine a Zoom meeting where the notary is in Florida, and that's the only person that has to be in Florida is the notary, right?
Okay.
So the notary's in Florida, but you are on vacation in Hawaii. Your client is in, New Hampshire. The lender is in Texas. Everybody's all on at the same time.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, so they verify your identity. You quite literally hold up to your video camera a picture of your driver's license,
Okay.
front and back.
And
then they do ask security questions, things that they find out about you from public knowledge,
Okay.
like addresses you've lived before.
Okay.
So in that way, it's kind of even more secure than in person, because in person, all we do is look at their driver's license.
Sure.
They also have the ability to determine if that driver's license is fake.
Oh, wow.
Which we don't, obviously.
Right.
So in that way, there's more protection.
Okay.
And so everybody's in a big video room, so to speak, and we're going through the process, and they're clicking on the documents. So you DocuSign basically, just what
wow.
but so you click, 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 and the only difference is the notary is seeing you, and that's good enough under the
Okay.
law now.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's fantastic.
It's going to be fantastic, but always a but.
Always a big bet.
So this is already happening in 21 other states, and lenders have by and large been very slow on the uptake.
Okay.
Right. So especially big banks, it takes a long time to move those ships.
Right.
And so their legal departments are still looking at it. They're still seeing how it's working out practically. So I don't expect, it's not like January 15th we're going to have
All
30.
banks are gonna be
no way.
on board.
No way. But what I'm excited about in our firm is on January 1, which is the first date it's legal.
You guys will be ready.
Absolutely. We're leading I just did a presentation on this yesterday. We're leading the team. We're leading the industry on getting ready for this. And so we're excited because for people that are tech savvy, this is going to be such and even these days, everybody can use Zoom, right?
Yes.
You just have to have a camera and audio and you're done.
Yep. Well, perfect. I love the fact that you guys are staying on top of the latest and greatest to allow the best possible customer service to your clients. And so if somebody needed to get a hold of you guys for any of their title services, how would they go about doing that?
You can give us a call at 352-394-7408, and either me or one of my amazing team, to whom I owe all of my success.
They are awesome.
Yeah, they are awesome. They will call you back and we'll answer any questions you have about this or any other title related issue.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for your time today. We so greatly appreciate it.
Well, thank you. Thanks for having me.
Not a problem. Well, guys, thank you for your time today. If you've got any other questions about
E-closings.
e-closings, if you have any more questions about e-closings, please feel free to reach out to Concierge Title Services. And for all of your real estate needs, please feel free to reach out to us at brandysells.com.